The grid's gone. Your gear's dead. But power? It's still hiding in plain sight. Today, I'm squeezing a few life-saving volts from scrap, just enough to spark light or wake a radio. Hook, 2 different metals. Hook, salty water. Hook, something to separate them. Step 1, scavenge. Copper, zinc, or aluminum coins. Wire, roofing cans, bolts. Separator, cardboard separator, cloth separator, paper. Liquid, salty water liquid, vinegar liquid, citrus. Step 2, make 1 cell. I soak the separator in my salty mix, sandwich it between the 2 metals. Make sure the metals don't touch. That contact kills the cell. Step 3, multiply. 1 cell is a whisper. I build more identical sandwiches. Then I link them in series, copper of 1 to the aluminum of the next daisy chain, leaving 1 free end at each side. Keep connections tight and dry. Step 4, test. If I've got a small LED, I try it briefly. If I've got a low-power radio, I try that. No LED? I gently bridge leads with a steel wool strand for a tiny spark. Blink and you'll miss it. If nothing happens, add a cell, refresh the soak, clean the metal surfaces. Step 5, stabilize. I wedge the stack so it doesn't wobble. Keep the wet parts damp, not dripping tape, or tie down the wiring so nothing shorts. Proof. When the LED breathes to life, even a faint glow, that's the win. A weak battery can still sip charge a crank radio, or power a tiny beacon in pulses. On for a few seconds, off to recover. Maintenance. Re-wet the separators. Scrape corrosion off the metal faces. Rotate in fresher scrap as it wears out. In a world that went dark, this is how I'd pull light from rust and rain. Small power, big hope. Stay safe, stay curious, and if you can, write this down before the lights go out again.